This will be a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to create and use Excel macros. Macros are great for automating processes that you do a lot when you're working in the workbook environment. So take for example the workbook that you're looking at right now that I've used in previous examples, where we have applied what's called conditional formatting, saying that if you're looking at a column like this, we'd like to see a visual representation of the data, a visual comparison. So we can say, let's go apply conditional formatting. In this case, we just apply blue bars that show us how big the numbers are in comparison to everything else. Now say you wanted to make a macro so that whenever you wanted to add this kind of formatting, you didn't have to go through the conditional formatting, add bars and all this, that you just have it set so that you only click a button once and you have the formatting applied. So I'll go ahead and undo this that we just did. Now to record a macro, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the developer tab up here. So we start home, insert, page, formulas, all the way to the developer tab. It's the second one from the right on top. And then on the left hand side right here we have a number of options. The option that we're interested in right now is record macro. So what I'll do, I'll first select the column of data that you want to apply the formatting to, and then click record macro, and this will ask me to provide a macro name. I'll just call it blue cond formatting. One useful thing to do is whenever you're giving macros names, give them names that are sort of informative and tell you what exactly the macro is going to do. Now after you've given it a name, the next thing you need to do is actually perform the action that you want to be automated. In this case, you want to automate adding conditional formatting bars on a column of data. So we just go through the entire process. After we do that, the macro is currently recording everything that we do. So since we're done, we just go here and click to stop recording, or we can go back to the developer tab and click stop recording. So now we have a macro that's that whenever it's run, we can just go look at it in the VBA editor, and this is the macro right here. It's called the blue conditional formatting macro, and this is exactly what it does whenever it's called. Now to have that be called the click of a button, we need to add a form control, which is the next group here called controls, still under the developer tab. So I will add a button, and then right click there, and I'll assign the macro that we just created to that button. I'll change the name here to blue formatting. Now it's interesting, so say we've already applied formatting here, so we wanted to come and apply the same kind of formatting here. All we'd have to do is select the whole column, click on the button, and the action is done for us. Or say here we decided, oh, we have this green formatting, but we want to add the blue formatting. All you have to do again is select the column, click the button, and your work is done.